Moving data at the speed of light. The new chip Google says could replace fiber with wireless beams. Taking the on-off switch out of optical nanoscopy, how a team led by Stefan Hell is delivering 30 times the resolution in fluorescence microscopy. And Nokia strengthens its position among optical networking leaders, how this latest acquisition will provide more tech and in a key location. All this and more on Photonics Spectra Now. Photonics Spectra Now is brought to you by Rochester Precision Optics. Custom precision optics and assemblies built with integrity from quick turn to high volume. Hi, and welcome to Photonics Spectra Now, covering your top headlines in the world of photonics. I'm Joe Kaczynski, a senior editor with Photonics Spectra. Breaking super resolution microscopy from the bounds of fluorescence. A research team in Munich has increased the resolution in fluorescence microscopy 30-fold. Led by Stefan Hell, scientists made these gains without molecular on-off switching. By using an illumination beam with zero intensity stripe in the beam, they were able to separate constantly emitting molecules down to distances of just a few nanometers. The study from the Max Planck Institute for Multidisciplinary Sciences implies the possibility to break the diffraction barrier for other molecules, not just fluorophores. This breakthrough could also empower the filming of the tiny movements of individual proteins. Google's newest photonic chip wants to replace fiber with 10 gigabit per second wireless beams. Terra, a project from Moonshot Labs under Google's parent company Alphabet, is introducing a photonic chip that uses a solid-state solution for automatic beam steering to transmit data. This could offer a path to high-speed internet, bypassing a need for cable, cutting costs and time for installation. As for existing bottlenecks in bandwidth, congested radio frequency hindering 5G expansion, those are also avoided by making use of the almost limitless bandwidth in the optical domain. Alphabet says the next generation Terra chip will be available in 2026. PsiQuantum has developed a quantum photonic chipset built for utility-scale quantum computing. The chipset, called Omega, contains all the advanced components required to build million-qubit scale quantum computers and can be created in a high-volume semiconductor fabrication plant. The chips are designed and fabricated on full-size wafers at GlobalFoundries Silicon Photonics fab in New York. Officials with PsiQuantum say this breakthrough represents a new level of technical maturity and scale in this field. With the European Union giving the green light, Nokia has officially acquired California-based networking firm Infinera. This completes the Finnish company's purchase of Infinera for more than $2.3 billion. Infinera will now join Nokia's optical network business. Their CEO, David Hurd, will remain with the team as a chief strategic growth officer for Nokia. Along with providing a boost in their plans to tackle the data center market, Nokia now also has a stronger presence in North America. I got the chance to speak with Nokia's VP and head of marketing for network infrastructure, Manish Gulyani. I wanted to know what is the driving force behind this power play, and where does Nokia see itself in the industry now that this is a done deal?
There's a boom in demand, and we want to drive growth. The service provider market actually was down and has come back up, but I would say the new growth is really around the data center opportunity, and we want to be significant players. So between the investments we've already made, we had actually our CEO talked about us making an additional investment on the IP side to double down. Now with Infinera, really all the pieces come together to have the most comprehensive, complete portfolio across IP, optical, and switching to address this opportunity.
And Rochester Precision Optics has secured $50 million to help boost its development and manufacturing capabilities. Officials with RPO say the financing will help accelerate advancements across all operations, allowing it to better compete with international companies. Specifically, these funds will go to scaling production capacity, technology innovations, and hiring more workers. RPO has not named the investor or client behind the $50 million. Have news you'd like to share or suggestions for our team? You can send any story tips, questions, or comments to video@photonics.com. Give us a like and click that subscribe button in the corner for all the latest videos from Photonics Media, and be sure to follow us on all your favorite social media platforms. Remember, you can always find more details on these stories and everything else happening in our industry by going to photonics.com. I'm Joe Kaczynski, and thanks for watching.